Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about game hacks for unlimited money, cash, gold, coins, silver and other currencies and premium currencies in all kinds of different games. Is it possible to get these working? What tools do I use? How do I do it? Now, to understand this kind of premium currency or currency cheat, you need to understand the difference first between an online game and an offline game. Of course, the main difference is offline games can be played without the internet. So if you want to determine whether your game is an online or offline game, you just turn off the internet, you turn off your data, your Wi-Fi, you unplug your internet cable, and if the game still works, you're dealing with an offline game. That means you can hack anything you want in that specific game, including all the money, the gold, the cash, whatever you have. Everything can be hacked in offline games using tools such as, for example, you can find them at hackerbot.net, Game Guardian, Lucky Patcher, Cheat Engine for PC, Game Jam for iOS. There's going to be top lists for the best tools that you can use to hack these as well. Or you can use Hackerbot free finder in order to find mods and other kinds of pre-made hacks that you can simply use in all these games as well. Head over to hackerbot.net for that, or there's going to be links in the description. Now, most of you will be playing games that require an internet connection, okay? That simply will not work without internet. Now, in this case, not all the data, such as in offline games, is stored on your device, or what we call the client. Only a part of the game is processed on your device. The very important data about the game, including your account data such as money, premium currencies, your stats, your items and so on, are stored on the game servers, okay? Those are computers somewhere in the developer's basement that store all the important account information. These cannot be hacked at all using any tools or any generators or anything like that, okay? So if you've used Google recently to find hacks for especially mobile games, you will have found a lot of cheats that claim to offer these cheats. So unlimited gems, gold elixir, unlimited gems, unlimited everything, unlimited gold for online games, unlimited coins for an online game, and here as well, gold and gems for an online game. Those are all fake. They are impossible. Therefore, anybody that's offering you them is most likely trying to trick you, to scam you, and because this kind of cheat in an online game is simply impossible, because again, you can't hack the server. If anybody was able to hack the server, the developers would notice and they would re-roll all the changes. The only ones that can change your money value in an online game is the developers of the game, and they simply will not do it because they make money by selling premium currencies, okay? So that is the sad reality of it. If you want to actually get more premium currency or currency in online games, your best method of doing it would be automation and scripts. So that means bots. Okay, so you can automate farming, for example, in many games, online games, and get premium currency slowly over time in that way, for free though. So that is the way to do it. There will be a link in the description on how to actually create your own bots for online games as well. Other than that, do not fall for the scams, okay? These scams are really devious. They offer you impossible hacks, and Google for some reason really likes them. If you want to help me fight these scammers offering impossible cheats that will never work to scam you out of your time and your money, give this video a like, share it with your friends so they don't get scammed either. Now, if you're looking for other legitimate cheats, I recommend you head over to hackerbot.net. You can just simply Google hackerbot, and you will find our website right there. On hackerbot.net we have a tool called the Free Finder that will allow you to find cheats for any game on any platform. Doesn't matter, Android, iOS, PC, whatever. All you do is you enter the name of your game, for example, PUBG Mobile, and then you enter your system, such as, for example, iOS or Android, in this case, Android. And then you enter the current version of the game. If you don't know how to figure out the current version, there's a tutorial below the tool. In this case, it's 0.19.0. If there's no version for your game, then it doesn't really matter. It mostly matters for finding up-to-date mods and scripts for mobile games. Okay, so that's how you do it. Here is actual working cheats from legitimate providers, from trusted sources that have been uploading legitimate cheats for many years. Okay, and you will find all kinds of scripts and so on. Or if you're looking for trainers for other games, Witcher 3 cheat table, you will find them, for example, as well. These are all legitimate sources that are clean and will not disappoint you, as such as the stuff that you will find on Google. Like, it's just weird. Like this this is ranking in the top 2. Actually, this is the first ranking, and it's a math website. It's some kind of weird profile on a math website. It's just so weird. I don't even understand. Or this one as well. Generator. Oh, free gems. Unlimited. Generate unlimited gems. No, this profile is disabled. Okay, nice results, Google. Well done. Anyways, if you hate these results as well, give this video a like, share it with your friends so they don't get scammed either. If you know anybody at Google, please let them know that this is absolutely awful. So, yeah, or this sites. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to click that hackercheats.xyz. Yeah, hacker cheats. Anyways, guys, that's my little rant about that one. Head over to hackerbot.net for the latest cheats. You will have our free finder that allows you to find legitimate cheats for any kind of game. We also have our top game hacks. Then we have game hacking software for iOS, Android, and PC as well. And thanks you guys for watching. I hope this helps. You don't get scammed, and I'll see you guys next time.